Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some super cute kawaii makeup hacks that you can do to make your makeup, I guess, more kawaii. And yeah, we're going to get started. Remember to hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. So yeah, everybody, boys and girls and everyone, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do, the first hack, is something I've never done, and that is do my eye makeup before my face makeup, because then the color won't fall on your face makeup, which I've never tried before. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. I'm going to put on some concealer on my eyes, like so. Got my little kawaii mirror here. I'm probably doing this wrong, I don't know. I'm going to continue to blend. Be right back. Okay, let's do eyeshadow. First and most important thing. So, time for my second kawaii hack. Use bright colors. This is a hack I actually used though. So, I got this new trendy in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics. I love them so much. And it has like other kawaii colors. And look. Oh, there's a camera. Look at these shades. Look at them. Look at the pinks. Oh, they're so pretty. And look at the green. So 80s rock and roll Princess Kawaii Queen. So, one of my go-to favorites is the NYX Ultimate palette, as per usual. Very simple, very cheap. I've used it more than I've used my Too Faced palettes. That's a weird sound. Get the bubblegum pink, or this purpley shade. And we want to look like Barbie and the Rockers 1980, so you know what to do. Blend the pink on the crease part. Ooh. Just keep blending and getting that pink there, and then we'll add our turquoise, mint, or blue. I think those are the two most kawaii colors. Those are my favorites. This is my basic kawaii look. I'm trying it with Dax. So, I'm going to do a little more blending here. Hold on. Another hack I like to do is focus on the inner corner here. Makes your eyes really pop. This is weird that I have this part, but then like my acne's here. Whatever. Acne's beautiful. We're all beautiful. Humans are beautiful. And that's that. Okay. Now, gonna go in with this turquoise color, or we can use the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette and use, see they've got some, let's use this blue color. Ooh, called Fortune. I'm gonna do it, I like to do it right here. Just right, yeah, like that. Oh, that's why you do your eyeshadow first. It's all making sense now. And let me hold your hand. I messed up on this side. La 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 la, no, nothing happened. I wanna hold your hand. I'm gonna continue to blend this and make it look flawless. Just blend, mix your two favorite pastel colors, and it gives a really cute kawaii eyeshadow look. Then we'll get to the next step. Now this is the most important part, is glitter eyeshadow. I like to use these ones. These are my favorite, the My Little Pony Color Pop Sunbeam Super Shock eyeshadow and the Urban Decay Glitter Rock eyeshadow. So, yeah. I think today I'm using the My Little Pony one because it has more holographic glitters. And it's My Little Pony, and I just love My Little Pony. I'm a My Little Pony kawaii bean. So, just put it everywhere on your eye, yep. In fact, if you're daredevil enough, don't even tap. Just straight up. I know, breaking all the makeup rules, right? Straight up apply it. Like so. And it's super sparkly. As you can see, I've used this one a lot. I love it. It's been used so much. Something else you can do, I guess this would be my third or fourth kawaii hack, I don't really know. I'll have it up on the screen counting. But something else you can do is add highlighter to the inner corners of your eyes. But yeah, just kind of plop a little sheen in between each corner. Okay, eyeliner hack. When doing kawaii makeup, you'll want to, I like to use a white eyeliner to do my eyeliner or draw little tiny stars. Although, my white eyeliner is pretty darn crusty. I don't even think it works anymore. Oh, nope, it still works. So I like to use black and white eyeliner, but I like to use white eyeliner to add little tiny sparkly stars to the top around my eyes, or just little tiny stars like you're a space princess. Space girl, I saw Wuno equips. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular eyeliner and mascara. Okay. So that is some kawaii eye makeup hacks. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, like foundation and contour and all that stuff. And then I'm going to show you some lipstick hacks and some highlighting hacks. So yeah, let me do my regular face makeup, like so. Okay, here's my next hack. So I've already done my foundation and my concealer and what is this stuff called? Contour. Blush is very important on any kawaii look. Let me show you. Where's my peach blush? I like to use this peach blush by Too Faced in the shade So Peachy. And I like to take this blush and I like to be generous with the blush too in little circles. It makes a really cute kawaii look. That is if I get any on the brush. Like so. That's really cute and rosy. And now for the most important part. Glitter and highlighter. This is very important. So, for highlighters, we can use this one, or we can use the Morphe 35B palette, which has Dom and the pink shades and really pretty pink highlighters. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into this shade right here. And put it where highlighter goes. Yep. Be generous with the highlighter, but not too generous because you don't want to look like a disco ball. Unless you want to look like a disco ball, I don't judge. So yeah, you see me super shiny like this. Well, they also have this purple one too. Let's mix those colors together. Now I'm going to take some more highlighter and put some on my nose. This is very important. You put highlighter on your nose so you look like a real kawaii chocolate chip cookie. That made sense. Like so. So, now we're going to go ahead and go to lips, and I think we're done. I saw this kawaii hack online, and what you do is you take concealer, and you put it on your, oh, not that much. Whoa, that's a lot. I am ghost. I am a ghost. And then you will take a little bit of a darker lipstick. Let's use this old Too Faced Melted Latex. And we're going to take a little bit of the darker color and blend it in with your lips, a beauty blender or a brush. I saw this on Pinterest. It's super cute and it looks pink and stuff. Yep. And then you add your lip gloss. So yeah, and it should look something like this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I hope you liked this kawaii hacks makeup video, and I will see you next time. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. And yeah, I used foundation and some pink lip gloss and lipstick and kawaii. Alright guys, love you, bye.